Dear students, in this unit we will talk about the lifestyle and ecology of amphibians. As you are aware that amphibians means double life. While adult amphibians spend most of their life on land, but they have to lay eggs. For laying eggs, they have to move to waters where they lay eggs, and those eggs then hatch, and larvae, they stay inside the water, and even some part of their early adult life is spent in the water. Now, different species of amphibians, they have adapted different habitats on this planet. As amphibians mature, they usually lose their gills, and those gills develop into lungs, and they started breathing on land. This major group of amphibians is quite a unique group of about 7,000 described species. The evolutionary history of amphibians goes back approximately 365 million years back. Now, amphibians are poikilotherms, which means that internal body temperature is mediated by the external temperature. They cannot regulate their own body temperatures. This in return helps amphibians to use less energy per unit body weight for thermal regulation, in contrast to the higher mammals. Just like mammals and birds, they have to regulate their body temperature, so they consume more energy. They have to use more energy in the regulation of their body temperatures. Now, owing to this capabilities, they convert more of their food into organic biomass as compared to homotherms, birds or animals. Now, most of these salamanders, frogs, toads and caecilians, they prey on invertebrates, particularly insects. Thus, they help to check the population of those insects. These amphibians, based on their characteristics, they can be used as an inexpensive and eco-friendly biological control agents, which means that we can use these living organisms to control the population of other living organisms, such as insects. They consume significant amount of insects, and thus they could be easily used to control agricultural pests, especially the insects which attack the agricultural crops or fields. They have very soft skin, so it can easily absorb water, which puts them in close contact with their surroundings. This also makes amphibians susceptible to certain toxins, and due to this one, amphibians are at a great extent, they are in danger because of their characteristics. As far as the pollution is spreading in the water bodies as well as in different areas on the land, they are affecting badly the population of amphibians because of their soft skin and ability to absorb from the air or from the waters. So this is a dangerous situation where the population of amphibians is getting less and less, and they are at the verge of extinction.